Hello folks, I'm back with part 2. This is still Sunday, August 11th. I had to get another calendar. I figure I'll divide the videos in two so they don't be too long. My camera gets pretty hot too. So, figure I'll do it this way. I like smelling my hands after messing with the tomato vines. It smells good. There's a helicopter flying by. I don't know what kind it is. It's a yellow one. Man, there's a lot of them here. I was hoping to grow bigger tomatoes. But like I say, I'm fertilizing every week now. Instead of once a week. Instead twice a month. Start pulling these before they change all the way to red. Otherwise they'll rot over here in the next few days. It don't take them long. I think I'll keep those two on and see what happens. No, that look deformed. Let's see what we got over here. Yeah, on the weekends we either have fried chicken from Snook's grocery store or pork chops and pork steaks. Then we have corn on the cob. If I could buy them pretty cheap with a husk, I'll do that. Snook's had it 39 cents each. Yeah, and I cook them in the microwave. The corn on the cob. Don't need a bowl of water. See another one down here. We're not having too many roly-poly or pill bugs like we did last year. I don't know why, but I'm not complaining. We had some, but oh, there's a watermelon right here. Hopefully it does better since I'm fertilizing every week now. Oh, it's a tomato down here too. I don't know if you can see that watermelon with all this green here. Oh, there's another red one in there. Two of them. Yeah, we'll be eating a lot of tomatoes for the next month or two anyway. Need to learn how to can them. Okay, this is all tomatoes here. I noticed one watermelon. Oh, hopefully that does better. If I get one off, I'll be pretty happy. Anyway, let's go straight to the grapes and strawberries now. Okay, here we are at the grape. You know, the grapes are kind of thinning out. I wonder if the squirrels and birds are still in them now. Well, we can eat them all anyway. I still got some in the fridge. Birds and squirrels probably say they're not going to eat them all. We're going to eat some. Yeah, it looks pretty empty here. It wasn't a few days ago when I done my video. Well, I guess that'll be the end of the grapes. Yep. No more grapes. Let's see what the strawberries doing. Got one there. Oh, look at that. That's nasty. Those grapes ain't no good. They're rotted. Here's some good ones. Okay. Oh, some. Okay, see what we got here. A couple more strawberries. Here. Oh, that one's rotted. See, you probably got to come out here every day and do this. Because look at them anyway. Okay. I wonder if I can move this over here and put the other one on that one. That plant's about had it. They all kind of about had it. Sickling looking. Yeah. I was so happy that one year we was getting all kinds of strawberries, more than we can eat. And now this last year and this year, we even bought more strawberries and still not doing no good. Pull this weed out here. Man, this plant's sick. Trim everything down here. Okay. Well, that'd be the end of my video here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep coming back. I'm not sure if I'll do it again or not. Sometimes it's disappointing, you know. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, like I said. Till next time, later.